Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In Chrome browser, you may have opened many sites simultaneously for your work, and suddenly, for some reason, you may have need to restart your browser. So no need to worry about those tabs you have opened are not lost in the process. Google has included features which I am going to show you in this video. So for that I need to open my Chrome browser. So this is my Chrome browser. From here I have already opened my Gmail account, and this is one site, Canva site. Then I need to open another account. Suppose I will open YouTube, and suppose there is one other site I need to open. All the sites are open now. Suppose accidentally Google Chrome has stopped working, then the site that I have already been opened, it will be lost. So there is a trick. So for that, from the upper right side corner you will find three dots. Click on here, then you will find settings. Click on settings. From the left side panel you will find on startup. Click on this, and on startup page you will find there is an option called continue where you left off. Just click on this and close this settings window. If Google Chrome will stop working, then we will see how we will recover our. Close this window, and we need to restart my Google Chrome once again. Click on Google Chrome. Then you will find the tabs you previously had opened will reappear again. So this is how you can restart Google Chrome without losing your open tab. So there are another methods you can try. Simply, suppose if you need to restart your Chrome immediately, so what you have to do, you have to click in the address bar of your Chrome browser. Then you have to write Chrome, 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 colon, double backslash, then restart, RESTART, and hit enter. Then you will find Chrome will immediately close itself and will launch again. So this is how you can restart Google Chrome without losing your open tab. Hope this video will help you. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe, like and share button. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.